Deer farming is indeed a significant agricultural practice for several reasons. It involves raising deer for various purposes, including meat, venison, antler production, and hides. Here are some key points about its significance. Deer farming can be a profitable venture, providing farmers with an alternative source of income. In China, the deer farming industry has grown significantly, particularly with species like Sika and red deer. This industry has millions of deer and is notable for several reasons. Antlers from deer, particularly from Sika deer, are highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine, leading to increased demand and farming practices focused on this aspect. Deer farming contributes to local economies by providing jobs and supporting related industries such as meat processing and tourism. Deer farming can be more sustainable than other forms of livestock farming, as deer can graze on less fertile land and have a lower environmental impact. In traditional Chinese medicine, deer antlers, especially from Sika deer, are believed to have health benefits such as promoting vitality, improving blood circulation, and enhancing overall well-being. This cultural significance has led to increased demand. The rising popularity of health supplements has spurred interest in deer antler extract, which is marketed for its potential performance-enhancing properties and benefits for joint health. Antlers are also considered a luxury item in some markets, used in high-end crafts, decor, and fashion. This has attracted collectors and consumers willing to pay a premium. The growth of deer farming has made antlers more widely available, facilitating higher market supply to meet the growing demand. As health trends become more globalized, the interest in deer antlers as a natural supplement has spread beyond Asia, increasing their market presence in Western countries. Yes, the global demand for deer antlers has indeed reached impressive levels, with annual production exceeding 600 tons. Significant markets for these antlers include South Korea and Japan, where they are highly valued for their medicinal properties and use in health supplements. Deer antlers are used in traditional medicine and are often incorporated into health supplements. The Korean market is particularly focused on the perceived benefits of antlers for vitality and strength. Similar to South Korea, Japan has a long history of using deer antlers in traditional medicine. They are considered a valuable health product, and there is a strong demand for high-quality antler products. In both countries, deer antlers are not only seen as health products, but also as symbols of prosperity and longevity, enhancing their market appeal. The growth of the deer farming industry supports sustainable practices, as farms can produce antlers without harming the animals as they naturally shed and regrow them. It sounds like you might be discussing the complexities of deer farming or a related topic. The combination of fascination and challenge in this context could refer to several aspects. The unique behaviors and characteristics of deer species can be captivating for farmers and researchers alike. Effective deer farming requires knowledge of animal husbandry, breeding, and health management, which can be demanding. Understanding and adapting to market trends for deer products can be both intriguing and complex, given the varying demand in different regions. population increases and concerns about sustainable agriculture rise, insects like locusts are being explored as an alternative protein source. They are high in protein, low in fat, and require significantly less water and land compared to traditional livestock,